Okay, so this is going to be our last segment. We were reviewing the types of ways to play pentatonic scales. The first way is the mush method, to just go up the minors. So now it would be almost like C minor, you're going. You know, and in the key of C it'd be like, you know, that's mush method. You've got to do something with those members. You'd want to do a little bit more like, you know, to make it something like that. You'd want to expand on those, but by themselves they're mush. You know, if you're doing pentatonic scales, because we don't want I don't want half notes in the pentatonic scales. They're not in the regular pentatonic scales. There's no half notes. In the diatonic you can, and it sounds great. I'm not saying anything bad against it. I'm just saying that's the mush method for making, if we're going to make pentatonic scales, just going up the line. You know. You know. You hear that dissonance? Alright, whereas if you stick to the Ionian, you get. You don't have so much dissonance. The third method is to do the actual treat each minor as a relative sixth, so it'd be something like. Okay, so it's kind of jazzy, you know. I think that's what they're doing and what we should do for now. You can play them however you want. Just remember that the method that uses Ionian, like this, those are the regular cage shapes. They are the regular cage shapes, the well-known, well-established cage shapes. That's what they are. You know, they start on E, and if I do it in C, I could start on the third to be. Those are the regular cage shapes. So the last method we're looking at is play the minors as if you were playing the relative major pentatonic for that scale. So say we're in the E box. Okay? So we're going to go up a pentatonic scale in the E shape. In the E shape box. So starting, we go up one pentatonic member. So E goes to G. Now remember I told you in the beginning of this lesson, just letters. Don't worry about tonality, major or minor. Just letters. In a pentatonic scale, E goes to G. G goes to A. So when we're playing the first three scale members, say we're doing an E. Okay, so that would be, say, key of F, E-shaped key of F. There's an E-shaped root, and then we have a G minor shaped second. See, it's just one letter, but you give it the tonality. And then A minor shaped third, which is going to be A minor shaped in that key of F. web. A minor shape. Okay, so that's what that is. Now that A minor shape, now where the labels, remember I used to put minor labels, now I'm putting major labels in here. So the relative major, so we've gone from the E to the G shape counting up in the pentatonic scale, because this is 2 minor, 2, 4, 6 to 3, 5, 7, all white keys here. So the relative major, we go up another letter in pentatonic. So the G minor goes to the A major shape. The A minor shape goes to the C pentatonic scale, letters only, goes to the C major shape. It's parent major. Everybody knows that the parent major of A minor is, you know, I'll go play something, right? Okay, I don't want to get into it too much. So what it's saying is, when we go, this chart says when I add, when we're going to play the G minor, let's say, we go 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, right? We've done this, we did this the other day. In F, it'd be, here's your F. So it's, come on. We start on the second of F is G. Okay, when I add these black notes, you get the A shape. You hear the same, that one encases the other, encapsulates the other. Now, let's just look at, we got down to the A shape here. So that's what this little diagram, cage diagram, is about. The pentatonic at that point would be 2, 4, 5, 6 root, starting from here. 2, 4, 5, 6 root. Okay. Now the black notes don't correspond particularly to these black notes. It's just this also in color inversion means something. It means in this cage, this is the pentatonic scale that starts at the beginning of that pentatonic scale. So this is the pentatonic scale starting from root 2, 3. Okay? And we come up with this 2. And that's how we start to get to the rule. Well, let's say we come up with this thing here, okay? So the pentatonic scale that this one we want to use in this box starts on this 3 here. The 7's also part of it. Okay, so it would be like in the key of C, it'd be 7, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And it would be an A minor shape, 3rd. Okay, so the root of that is what? The root of that is an E shape. The root of that is an E shaped on the F, I suppose. Let's, hold on. Okay, that was my bad. Regardless of the key, I wanted to play it for you, but then I got a little mixed up because I started from the 3rd. So we're running out of time on this one. We want to play that 3rd note here, and it says we go 2 cage shapes over, which is 1 turn of the magic circle. Okay, so the C shape goes to the G shape on the magic circle. That's what we're looking to find out here. So we'll get to more lessons and more charts and more segments in the next lesson. We'll be looking back at these. Thanks for watching, and good playing to you. Bye.